Hey guys, another video from the supra-short garage. Just doing a little alignment on my car. I got some negative camber, as you've probably seen on my tires in some of the videos. So what I'm doing is an alignment. So I'm not using really anything special right now. So I've got just a regular old level sitting on my spoiler. You can see the bubble. Come on, you bastard. Focus. As you can see, the bubble is level there. Hard to tell, but I've got the vehicle blocked up. Now I already know that I have 1 degree of negative camber. So just because the back's level does not mean that the front is level, or that the hood might not even be level. So, oh yeah, there we go. It's just not sitting flat. So as you can see, the level is level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and it's that greasy ass bolt right there. I'm going to turn that to give me less negative camber. So I got one of these here camber tools from Wish not that long ago. I've got some serious negative camber, approximately 3 degrees, if you can see there on this little tool. So I've gone and zeroed this tool using a spirit level to get the little bubble there to 0 at center there. So what I have is 3 degrees, approximately 3 degrees of negative camber on the Supra. So I'm going to try and dial it in as best as I can using my little alignment rig there. Those two 8x8s or whatever they are actually level. I used a spirit level and a level piece of wood to line them up. Now when I get my lovely assistant, I'm going to drive the soup up on those blocks, crawl underneath of it, loosen the camber bolts, and then readjust and give myself a little bit more positive camber, to say the least, hopefully to stop the wear of the inner sides of the tires. Anyway, it's not gonna be perfect. It's gonna be kind of rude, but it should work out. I kind of built myself what I would consider to be an alignment slash camber jig. So basically what it is two 8.5 or 8-inch 8x8s with a wood top, and then I put stoppers so I wouldn't drive over them, because you don't want to drive your Supra off of those. And then I had my lovely assistant guide me up onto the blocks, making sure that the ramps don't fall or that I don't drive off the blocks. And so here's the jig. So here's the setup. As you can see, I have got basically true level on this board going across my 2 jigs. Now it's high enough that I can get onto or underneath and get to the camber adjustment bolts. So I'll drive the Supra up, loosen the camber adjustment bolts, put my camber tool on the brake caliper. I said caliper, I meant brake rotor. So I don't think my tool is zeroed anymore, but I basically use a post that is truly level and get that little bubble there to go to 0 so I can adjust my camber whichever way. Then that gets snapped in there, and then you go under the car and turn the camber bolts till you get the negative camber or the positive camber that you're looking for. This isn't zeroed anymore. When I did, it should actually be probably around there at the 1.5 to 2 degrees of negative camber. Now in my application, you also want to make sure the magnet is clean. Now, in my application, the camber bolt on this side, the spacer that, or the guide on the inside of the frame was sheared off. So actually what I ended up doing was finding out how much negative camber I'd like to remove, jacking the car up, pulling the wheel out and pushing the bottom in like with my foot like so, and then tightening the bolt at the degree of camber that I would like. So that's pretty well it. If I think of anything else, I'll put it in the video. And hope you like watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and tap the notification bell if you want to see more.